President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. claims a lawyer of Zaldico tried to blackmail him to prevent the cancellation of CO's passport.
Dinapitan po kami ng abogado ni Zaldico at nagtatangkang mag-blackmail na kung hindi po namin kakanselihin daw ang passport niya, hindi na raw siya maglalabas ng video. I do not negotiate with criminals. Kahit maglabas ka na ng video ng lahat ng kasinungalingan mo na pag-destabilize sa gobyerno, gusto kong malaman mo, Zaldi, makakansela pa rin ang passport mo. Hindi ka na makakatakas sa hustisya.
In a statement to the media, CO's lawyer Rui Rondain says Marcos's claims were completely untrue. On Tuesday, November 25, Marcos dared CO to come home after he released another video accusing the president and his cousin, former House Speaker Martin Romualdez, of taking kickbacks from government projects. CO also claimed in his new video that the president's son, House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos, also inserted projects to the national budget. The Marcos family, Malacanang and Romualdez denied these claims.